Hey lovelies, today I want to share 3 really simple but really effective time-saving Procreate tricks that will help boost and increase your workflow. When I learned them, my mind was blown and they've really helped speed up my drawing process, so I want to share them with you. My first little time-saving tip is to draw and erase with the same brush. So currently I am on the ink bleed brush, but my eraser is on this gouache round brush. And rather than having to bounce back and forth between these panels, if you just select this brush icon and then hold down the eraser icon, it will draw and erase with the same brush. So here's that ink bleed, and now it's erasing with the ink bleed. And it allows for a lot of nice consistency within your artwork. The next tip that saves me so much time is to have all of my favorite brushes in the same folder. So I created a favorites folder. And the way that you'll do this is to create a new folder in your brush library. So press this little plus icon. We'll just leave it as untitled set. Go into the folder of which brush you want to find. Make sure to duplicate that brush so that when you drag it over into the untitled set, this is what it's called. It's right there, but it hasn't been completely moved over from inking. It still exists within that folder. The last little time-saving trick is actually kind of a 2-in-1. So first, one thing I like to do is to undock my colors panel so that I can access it easily next to my artwork. The next thing is, let's say that I would want to draw her little hair details, the wispies on, but they're all yellow and I don't want them to be yellow. A quick way to change those colors is to swipe right to lock the transparent pixels, select a new color, let's just say orange. It's not what I want it to be, but for the sake of this exercise, that works. Tap on the layer, hit fill layer, and it has changed everything on that layer to orange, and this will save you buckets of time. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any really awesome time-saving Procreate tricks, share them in the comments below because I think we all just want to learn here. You can follow all of my art on all the social platforms at Designed by Shea, and you can shop my art prints on Etsy. Thank you so much for watching and stay sparkly.